Wondering what is Green Mandarin essential oil good for? Or how do I use Green Mandarin essential oil on my face? In this video, I'm going to share with you some of my favorite Green Mandarin essential oil uses and what it blends well with. I'm Mandy Sommers, essential oil educator and enthusiast. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Teaching about the power of essential oils for over 9 years, and I'm really excited to share with you all about Green Mandarin essential oil. Stick around to the end and I'll teach you how to download my free essential oil usage guide with over 100 essential oils and their traditional uses. Before I jump into this though, I always love to hear from my YouTube community about how you like to use particular essential oils. So if you have some favorite uses for Green Mandarin essential oil, please put them in the comments below. The sweet and slightly floral scented Green Mandarin oil is unique among other citrus oils in its benefits and uses. Taken internally, it helps support healthy cardiovascular, digestive, immune, metabolic, and nervous system functions. So let's talk about Green Mandarin's sourcing and harvesting. Green Mandarin oil is sustainably sourced in Brazil. The doTERRA network of Brazilian citrus farmers uses the income from their Green Mandarin harvest to cover farming costs for the year. Later, their red mandarin harvest from the fully ripened fruit is mostly for profit. This creates a sustainable, steady income throughout the year for small and large-scale growers, reduces green waste, and yields 2 beautiful essential oils with unique chemistry. Now, if you're interested in learning about red mandarin, go ahead and click the link in the description below or the card above. Mandarin trees need to be thinned while the fruit is still young and unripened. Approximately 60 to 70% of the green fruit is removed from the tree during this thinning process. In the past, this unripened fruit was discarded or left on the ground to decompose as the fruit is too tart to be enjoyed. However, a unique rind yields a fragrant, uplifting oil distinct from that of the fully ripened mandarins, which is known as red mandarin essential oil. Green mandarin offers a wider range of benefits than most other essential oils and may be preferred for cosmetic usage. Emotionally uplifting and blissfully fragrant, Green Mandarin is unique among citrus oils and offers a variety of uses. Its fruity aroma is subtle and has floral undertones, making it a desirable addition to natural perfumes and cosmetics. Thanks to its unique chemistry, it offers remarkable skin and hair benefits similar to those of Melaleuca or tea tree. Green Mandarin is known for its soothing properties on the nervous system and its ability to support healthy digestive, immune, and respiratory function. Green Mandarin promotes a cheerful, energizing mood while soothing feelings of upset and oversensitivity. So let's talk about some of Green Mandarin's oil uses and benefits. You can create a bright and energized environment by diffusing the sweet, refreshing aroma of Green Mandarin throughout your home or your workspace. Simply add 3 to 4 drops in your diffuser. If you're looking for additional diffuser recipes, go ahead and click the link above, or you can find it in the description below. To promote healthy skin and hair, simply incorporate Green Mandarin into your beauty routine by adding a few drops to water or witch hazel for a mild skin toner and clarifier. The limonene found in Green Mandarin makes it a highly cleansing oil. Make your own counter spray by adding 10 drops of Green Mandarin to a spray bottle filled with water to clean surfaces of your kitchen. Protect your body from environmental threats by taking Green Mandarin internally. Simply take 1 to 2 drops in a veggie cap and help support healthy immune function and response. You can create your own customized perfume blends with Green Mandarin and a few other oils. You can try blending it with sandalwood, lavender, spearmint, or citrus oils to experience the positive uplifting benefits of these oils. Incorporate Green Mandarin into your cooking as a natural food preservative or flavoring in a recipe calling for subtle citrus flavors. Here are a few fun facts about Green Mandarin essential oil. The mandarin tree is cultivated worldwide for its sweet, juicy fruit, which are often sold as clementines or mandarin oranges. Red mandarin essential oil comes from the rinds of the fully ripened fruit. Green mandarin comes from the fruit harvested prior to ripening. Despite the fact that the oil is distilled from unripe fruit, green mandarin's aroma is less sour than most citrus oils. Green mandarin has a gentle aroma that blends well with basil, sandalwood, lavender, spearmint, and other citrus oils like grapefruit, wild orange, tangerine, lemon, lime, and bergamot. Okay, those are some of my favorite facts about Green Mandarin essential oil. And as promised, I promised that at the end I would teach you how to download my free essential oil usage guide. Go ahead and click the link in the description below. Pop your email into the box, and shortly thereafter you will receive my essential oil usage guide with over 100 essential oils and their traditional uses straight to your inbox. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, and please reach out to me if you would like a free wellness consultation or if you want to learn how to get essential oils at 25% off. Have a wonderful day. We look forward to seeing you next time. Go ahead and check out some of my other videos. Bye.